दुखता है, मिट्टू इतना छोटा है और आपको मिस वो करता है। Without you वो बिल्कुल भी ना हंसता है ना खिलता है। You know that कि आपको वो झप्पी पाकर सोता है। दादी इतनी दुखी है, बस पूजा करती रहती है, न खाती है ना पीती है, हमसे छुप कर रोती है। Mom is acting bold but she's not really strong. We all are thinking that what have we all done wrong? Without you our life is only like a dark shadow. I can't think to see mom live life of a widow. किसी का कुछ नहीं जाएगा but how will we survive? If anything happens to you then we all will also die. Don't worry, Nyonika. I'm sure Dad will be fine. God will surely help us. Please keep faith in divine. We love you so much कि हमसे सहा नहीं जाता। आपको इतना तड़पता देखकर हमसे रहा नहीं जाता। If something went wrong, then how we gonna manage?
Today, let us celebrate the World No Tobacco Day by not smoking and not consuming tobacco. To quit smoking is a difficult thing, but not impossible. If you will not quit, then cancer and other diseases will force your life to quit. So, think of the duties, responsibilities and dreams of your life and take the vow that we will not use any tobacco product in our lives. So, bring the willpower, bring the determination to avoid tobacco and help to create a pure and clean environment for our future generations. Say no to tobacco. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Manju member of class 9B, and today I am here with a speech on World No Tobacco Day. Every year on 31st May we used to celebrate World No Tobacco. The main motive behind celebrating this day is to make our world tobacco free and stop negative health impacts. The heads of WHO, World Health Organization, has authorized this event. Media shows huge advertisements and positive points on this day. So we all should live a tobacco-free life for our family and for our country.
You are fool if you think smoking is cool. Good morning all of you, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I Khushi Dwivedi standing here to give a short speech on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day. Every year on 31st May, WHO and whole world celebrate World No Tobacco Day. Tobacco smoking and exposure to second-hand smoke can increase the risk of contracting many diseases. The intense, active and passive smoking can affect the health of people's lungs in multiple ways. Furthermore, the children exposed to the second-hand smoke are at the higher risk of developing of frequent lower respiratory infections and have a risk of being suffering from honest and exacerbation of asthma. The link between tobacco and tuberculosis is also well established, showing that chemical component of tobacco can trigger the latent infection of TB. Smoking can also increase the risk of disability and death from respiratory failure in people with active TB. Many diseases are caused by tobacco like lung cancer, chronic respiratory disease, tuberculosis and asthma. In this disease, our lungs get affected. The reason behind this event to stop the negative health impact and to make our whole world tobacco free. Be tobacco free. Thanks.
Good morning all of you. My name is Diksha Jamal. I am from 6B. So on World No Tobacco Day, I want to tell you some important points. Point number 1 is on 31st May, the World Health Organization has organized a worldwide event for the World No Tobacco Day. Second point, this event is beneficial for smokers because organizers motivate smokers to quit tobacco for 24 hours. Third point, the event is to drive the attention of smokers on the negative impact to tobacco on health. Fourth point. The event started in the year 1987 and now the death rate has risen to 6 million. Fifth point. The organizer encouraged people to stay away from damage caused by tobacco. Thank you. Have a nice day.